Instructions for loading, unloading, clamping, setting and welding of lug welding fixture. The lug welding fixture consists of 3 parts. 1 indexing head, 2 tailstock, 3 weld guide shaft assembly, 4 base structure. Pull the lever of weld guide shaft assembly and rotate it by 90 degrees and park it in the notch. Indexing head consists of indexing plate with angles and their respective positions engraved in it. Rotate the handle of indexing head to rotate the component to an angle and position given in the Fixture 1 to weld the next lug. For 0 degree, rotate the handle of indexing head clockwise to 0 degree, then pull and insert the position pin into position 1 in the base structure. For 7.12 degree, rotate the handle of indexing head clockwise to 7.12 degree, then pull and insert the position pin into position 15 in the base structure. For 29.04 degree, rotate the handle of indexing head clockwise to 29.04 degree, then pull and insert the position pin into position 10 in the base structure. For 52.45 degree, rotate the handle of indexing head clockwise to 52.45 degree, then pull and insert the position pin into position 3 in the base structure. For 59.57 degree, rotate the handle of indexing head clockwise to 59.57 degree, then pull and insert the position pin into position 17 in the base structure. And so on. Loosen both the chucks and load the component first by pushing spring-loaded plunger on the tailstock side and then slide it into the headstock chuck such that component rests on the end butting pin. Finally, tighten both the chucks with suitable torque. For the first welding, index angle is 0 degree. Pull and insert the position pin into the hole position 1 in the base structure. Position and orient the lug into the weld guide holder assembly. Push the weld spring guide pin, then fix the lug by using weld bracket locator. And finally push the lever of weld guide shaft assembly by rotating it by 90 degrees and disengage it from the notch. Weld the lugs onto the OD of the pipe. After welding, release the lugs by pushing the weld spring guide pin and pull the lever of weld guide shaft assembly and rotate it by 90 degrees and park it in the notch. To weld the next lug, pull and insert the position pin into the hole of position 15 and then position 10 in the base structure. Then rotate the handle of indexing head to rotate the component to an angle and position given in the Fixture 1 to weld the next lug. Repeat the same steps to weld all the lugs onto the pipe. After welding all the lugs, bring the weld guide shaft assembly to the parking station. Release the pipe with welded lugs by loosening the chuck and pushing the pipe against the spring-loaded plunge. To change over from one variant to another, one has to move the tailstock weldment to its respective position, change the indexing plate with respect to the variant and repeat the steps.